Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have minus 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we just solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here in the first method, you see here the base of this term is negative, so we write this minus 3 as in this form. Minus 1 is multiplied by 3 and its whole power is x is equals to 3. So we solve this problem for two methods, and in the first method we just use here the natural logarithm, and our second method be the solution of this problem in which I can use the common logarithm. Okay, so I hope so you like both of these two methods. So here you see that in the first method we just use here the nice property of Euler's identity. So here you know about that Euler's identity is stated as so in Euler identity we have e to the power of iota pi is equals to minus 1. So from this identity we just replace this minus 1 is equals to e to the power of iota pi. So when you replace this value here, it will be written as e to the power of iota pi is multiplied by 3 and its whole power is x is equals to 3. So here further in the next step here we need to apply the natural log on both of the sides, so that when we apply natural log on here it will be written as here we just apply this ln on both of the sides and it will becomes e to the power of iota pi is multiplied by 3 and its whole power is x is equals to log of 3. So here we use the nice properties of log, and according to this property of log we move this x in the front of this log and it will be written as x times of log. This will becomes 3 times of e to the power of iota pi is equals to log of 3. And now here we use another property of log, and for this property here you see that we have inside the log these are the two values are multiplied by each other. So here we apply this log separately on both of these two values and we can write here the plus sign. This is log of 3 plus log of e to the power of iota pi is equals to log of 3. And here because our target is to get the values of x, so for this we need more simplifications, and we have this is log of 3 plus here we move this iota pi in the front of this log and it will becomes iota pi into log of e is equals to log of 3. And here you know about that this log of e is equals to 1 and we have this is log of 3 plus iota pi. This log e is equals to 1. Okay, so we replace this is equals to 1 and this is equals to log of 3. And here because our target is to find the value of x, so that's why we move this whole term from left hand side to the right hand side. So here it is multiplied by this x, and when we move it into the right hand side it is divided by log 3 and we get the value of x is equals to log of 3 divided by log of 3 plus iota pi. Okay, so this is the value of x which we get here in this method. So here this is the final answer of this question which we get here from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for a second method. So in second method we can just use here the common logarithm to solve this problem, and I hope so you like both of these two methods. So first we copy down given question statement. Here it is minus 3 to the power of x is equals to 3. So here we again need to focus in the base of this term, and this is minus 3 and we write this minus 3 as minus 1 multiplied by 3 and its whole power is x is equals to 3. And now here in the next step we know about that iota square is equals to minus 1. So we just use this rule here and we can write this minus 1 is equals to iota square. This will becomes iota square is multiplied by 3 and its whole power is x, and this whole equation is equals to 3. And now here in the next step Here we just apply the common logarithm on both of the sides in order to get the values of x. So when we apply common logarithm, it will be written as, so here we write this is iota square is multiplied by 3 and its whole power is x is equals to log of 3. So here we again apply the nice properties of log, and here we again move this x in the front of this log, and it will becomes x times of log. This will be written as 3 times of iota square is equals to log of 3. So here we apply another property of log, and this will be written as this is x times, or here we apply this log separately on both of these two values, and it will be written as log of 3 plus log of iota square is equals to log of 3. And now here further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and it will be written as this is x times of log of 3 plus, here we move this 2 in the front of this log, and it will becomes here 2 times of log iota is equals to log of 3. So here our target is to find the values of x, so that's why we move this whole value from left hand side to the right hand side. It is multiplied by x, and when we move it into the right hand side, it is divided by log 3, and it will be written as log of 3 is divided by log of 3 plus 2 times of log of iota. Okay, so here in the second method, this is the final answer of this problem, and this is the final value of x. Okay, so here this is the final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.